Hello, I have the Feb 2018 Look Fantastic beauty box to show you. I haven't looked at spoilers, so I don't know what's inside either. I expect the box to be Valentine's Day themed. It's pink. Pink and red with gold trimmings. Very nice. So let's see what's inside. There's the UK magazine as usual. That should be fun for the weekend. Oh, the Beauty Box magazine, also the product card, is also Valentine's Day themed. Very nice. And there's next month's spoiler. Next month we are getting a balancing moisturizer from Omorovitsa. Beautiful. Balancing, that sounds nice for acne. So inside there are 6 products. And this month's theme for the box is the Beauty Rendezvous. So, products you need for your rendezvous. That's the theme. Right, what do we have in here? This was last month's spoiler. Kudali Vinosource SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. I'm a huge fan of all serums from Kudali. They're perfect to wear beneath makeup. Very lightweight and non-oily. And then you have Filorga's Meso Mask, a superstar product that will give your complexion radiance and luminosity while also diminishing the appearance of wrinkles. Now, I'm a huge fan of Filorga. I've tried their eye cream and their lip balm, which is my favorite lip balm ever. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out. And then you've got Bella Pear's Shimmer Roll in Champagne for body, eyes and face. Now this seems to be a roll-on. Oh yes, it is. That's marvelous. I've never come across a highlighter that is in roll-on format before. Very handy. No need to hunt around for brushes and things. The shade is, well, a bit too pale, isn't it, for me? I suppose I can use it as an inner corner highlight. I do wish the shade was a little bit darker. Next we have LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've tried a sample of this before, a smaller sample, and really liked it. It says, a bestseller within the skincare world, this cream is as famous as Chanel's numero 5. Wow. The powerful anti-aging ingredients of the award-winning Pro Collagen Marine Cream have been shown to reduce the depth of wrinkles, improve skin firmness and hydration in as little as 14 days. Oh my gosh. That sounds amazing. I've got to try this one out. And then there are 2 lip products which should be used ideally in tandem. The first one is Trifle Cosmetics Sublime Lip Scrub in Sugar Pear. Very cute packaging there. A crunchy sugar scrub that will make your lips as soft as butter. Formulated with cocoa butter, sweet almond oil and pecan seed oil. Hydrates and nourishes the lips, taking away all dead skin cells. It is infused with toffee mixture and pear extract. Oh, that sounds delicious. So that's a lip scrub, and to go with the lip scrub, I suppose this is what they mean by rendezvous. You've got the Dr. Pawpaw Original Multi-Purpose Clear Balm. This and the Bella Pear are full-sized. I am a huge fan of Dr. Pawpaw. They have a tinted balm as well. And the original is my favorite. It's multi-purpose. You can use it even on the ends of your hair if they're dry. Elbows, feet, cuticles, nappy cream, sunburn, skin irritations, dry patches. It contains fermented pawpaw fruit or papaya, aloe vera and olive oil. So I've tried this before, huge fan. So there are 2 full-sized products, the Bella Pear and the Dr. Pawpaw. And everything else is sample-sized. 6 products. For those who came in late, the this is probably late in the day to tell you. LookFantastic ships worldwide. Each box costs 15 quid. Longer subscriptions cost less. Mine is, I believe, 11 quid or so because I'm on a very long-term subscription. So I actually like this month's box better than last month's because I can use everything in here. And I think the lip scrub and lip balm sent together is a very good idea. I love the roll-on. I do wish the shade had been a bit deeper for me. Can't help that sort of thing in beauty boxes. Fan of Kudali, love it. Fan of the LMS, and I'm looking forward to trying out the Filorga. So a much better box than last month's in February. Last month was a bit of a letdown, you know. I mean, I was expecting the first box of the year to be something special, and the sizes of the samples, there were no full sizes, and everything was meh, you know. This month, very nice products. I like that there are 2 full sizes. So I'm looking forward to seeing next month's box, particularly because it's got Omorovic's Balancing Moisturizer. So to subscribe to LookFantastic, hit the description box below. There's a link over there. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this short video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you soon.